What will your life be like in the future? In the future, my life will be calm and happy. I will live in the countries close to natural and animals. Where are you going to live? I going to live in San Martin Cesar. I am big fan with palm trees and buffaloes. I really like the field and nature. What hope will you have? I will work in agriculture. I am going to grow plants and maybe raise animals. I want to have my own farm and help my community. What will you live with? I will live with my family. I hope to Wi-Fi and children, and we will work together on the farm. What will you do in your free times? In my free times, I will go fishing, studying, and spend time with my family. We do you like that kind of life? Because life in the countries is peaceful. I love natural animals and fresh air. It it's the perfect life for me.